والله أخرجكم من بطون أمهاتكم لا تعلمون شيئا. Allah brought you out of the wombs of your mothers without any knowledge. You have no knowledge, you have nothing. Right when that baby comes out, he starts crying. Just place that baby at the chest of the mother. The baby can remove his food from the chest of the mother. Who taught that baby how to do that? Who? Allah. لا تعلمون شيئا وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة. He brought you out of the wombs of your mothers. You have no knowledge, nothing. وجعل لكم السمع, and he gave you the hearing, والأبصار, and the sight, والأفئدة, and the heart. لعلكم تشكرون. So that you and I will say Alhamdulillah.